everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany Janelle TV. It's your girl Brittany. So you guys, by the title of this video, I am with another ivybox unboxing, and so this is for July's ivybox. Well, the month of July is what I meant. I've actually heard a lot of good things about these items inside, so I'm actually pretty excited to see what they are. I can definitely say for the last couple of months, they've actually been really good. I've been very impressed and really have liked them a lot. So if I have anyone new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this July ivybox unboxing, make sure you continue watching. Okay, so y'all, like I said, this is the July ivybox. So let's open and see what's in here. Okay, so here is the card, like usual. Y'all ignore that, that's my dog. So for the theme for this month is winners don't wait for chances, they take them. I like that. I do, I really like that. Okay, so what's in the box is aka floral athletic leggings, aka floral athletic tank, and an aka athletic short sleeve shirt. Y'all, I'm really glad that they have been giving us short sleeve shirts because y'all, it's July, so it's hot right now. It's super hot. So here is the wrapping paper. Y'all, like I said, I never want to undo the wrapping paper, but I have to. So for the first item I'm going to show y'all is the leggings. Y'all, I really like these leggings. I wish I could feel the material. If I have any sorors that are subscribed to my channel, comment below and let me know how you like the material on the leggings, because the material is really soft. I like how it's very stretchy. It has, you know, of course, the AKA here and got the shield and stuff. I really like this, y'all. Like, I really do. Just in general, like, I mean, as you guys know that I've told you guys before, I'm on my, you know, back on my weight loss journey. So it's really good to just have like some more athletic wear. But yeah, y'all, I really like these a lot. Okay, y'all, so the next item is an athletic shirt, which I really like. It's really cute. As you can see, it has like basically kind of like a Razorback. The back is open, and then also down here it has the AK shield. Y'all, it feels so comfortable. Like I said, if I have any sorors that are subscribed to my channel, comment below on these items specifically, because y'all, I really like the way it feels. It feels super soft. So yeah, and it actually would go with both of these, really. Like, it would go together. I mean, I know it's kind of a little off pink, but it goes together really good. So, oh yeah, so this is my last item for this month's box, and I really like this item as well. It's a Razorback. It basically goes with the leggings that I showed. Really, I would definitely say both of those shirts, I feel like they could really just go perfect with the pants, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, when I'm working out, I do not care about matching. I don't care at all. I just want to work out, you know. But I really like this as well. Of course, it has the AKA shield down here. Once again, the material is pretty soft and feels good. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this month's July ivybox unboxing, y'all. Like I said, I really like these items. Really, I think almost all of my boxes I've really been liking. Like, I feel like they've really been stepping their game up. I can definitely say that, and really just taking heed in what like customers, you know, or you know, just saying, you know, like things, recommendations, you know, like things what they would like to see. So of course, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as usual, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.